Look! Oh, jeez. That one never gets old. I was working on this classy bike, and there's something I want to share with you. Regarde, La Manivelle. Does it look familiar? It should. We see it here. Oh, we call this sometimes the American crank, or American type, or Ashtabula, and another term I like, the one-piece crank, and that's what we have here. This one is designed, inexpensive yet strong, simple, steel, it's heavy. This one, price is not the point. It is expensive, it is designed into the bike, there's a lot going for it in this one-piece design. It takes carbon fiber and it gets rid of what carbon fiber hates, and that's joints. Clamped, threaded, bolted, bonded, all joints potentially weak, gets rid of them. Let's look inside. Here, a lock nut. Turns to the right to come off, it's left-hand threaded. Here, we have a set screw. Here, off, we have washers. And behind this, we have a cone. Left hand, left hand threaded. Here, the preload ring on threads. It comes off, and behind it is a seal. And here, the arm feeds through, bearing out, and done. And here, the arm feeds through the bottom bracket. Et voila. One piece, efficient. It is playing to the strength of the material. One piece of carbon, some retainers, some steel for the bearings to sit on, but one piece of carbon eliminates that joint problem. And that is what I wanted to share with you. Twins, separated by birth and an ocean. Happy Engineering Appreciation Day to you. Au revoir. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed Tech Tuesdays, check out our Repair Help video library, which has detailed guides to a wide variety of common bike maintenance procedures. And of course, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest videos from Park Tool.